Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a sort of like, I've said my eye, hold on. Ow. I'm going to be doing a sort of like makeover video. So I'm getting my hair done today because, yeah, no, it's not going to work for me. We're just looking in the mirror and I feel like my roots are like growing out sort of. They're not like fully growing out, but they're starting to grow out. So that's kind of perfect timing that I'm getting them done, or I'm getting my hair done today. I don't really know what we're doing exactly because she hasn't actually seen my hair yet, and like it's kind of a disaster, so I'm just waiting for her reaction basically. As I was saying, today's video is just a makeover kind of sort of thing. For today, my hair inspiration is this. I don't really know if we're gonna even be able to do that because my hair is like box dyed black, which I feel like is every hairstylist's like nightmare, which I feel really bad about, but I do things with my hair, so I don't know why I do it, but I do it. Yeah, I'm kind of just hoping that we can do a sort of like light brown with highlights, like a balayage, I guess. I don't really know hair terminology. I have to leave in literally like 5 minutes. I'm just throwing on a little bit of makeup. I'm just putting on concealer, powder, mascara, and blush. Just keeping it simple. Also because I'm afraid that it's just gonna come off when she's doing my hair. I'm gonna just quickly throw on some makeup and then we'll be on our way. On my way. It's 10:22. And I have to be there by 11, and it's a 35-minute drive. So, we're gonna get there on time. You know what? I really wanted to stop for Starbucks. I'm literally starving, like my stomach hurts because I'm so hungry. But I think there's a Starbucks next to it or near it. So I might, if I get there at a decent time, I might stop for Starbucks because I'm literally so hungry. But I just got my hair done. This is what it looks like. Basically we just added like a few highlights, and like did a gloss and like trimmed it a little. But I'm gonna go back in like November and we're just gonna slowly, like gradually go lighter. But I really like how it looks right now. I actually love it. Like I love the color of it. And she was like, well, this is just like the start of it. And I was like, I don't know, but I kind of like it just like this. I'm gonna go get my nails done. I absolutely love these nails, but they're just kind of grown out a little bit and I want new nails. I'm going to the nail salon right now. I honestly don't really know what I want to do with my nails, but we'll see. I just finished my nails. Like, are you kidding me? These are the most insane nails that I've ever gotten in my life. I don't know why I decided to be so extra today, but oh my god, they're insane. I'm very happy, and I also went to a new place, kind of far away from where I live, but I'm gonna start going here like all the time because are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, wow. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat, I think. And then go to Sally's Beauty to get like a new nail polish, because I need a new black nail polish for my press-on nails that I make. So we're gonna go do that, and yeah.